kubectl get is one of the most fundamental commands you will use when working with Kubernetes. It is your primary tool for listing and retrieving information about resources running in your cluster. Throughout this tutorial, we will explore how to use kubectl get to view pods, deployments, services, and other essential Kubernetes resources. This command is read-only, meaning it is completely safe to use for inspecting your cluster without making any changes. Kubectl get serves as the core command for retrieving resource information from your Kubernetes cluster. It is a read-only operation, which means you can safely inspect and monitor your cluster state without worrying about accidentally modifying anything. This makes it perfect for troubleshooting, monitoring, and understanding what is currently running in your environment. The basic syntax for kubectl get is straightforward. You simply type kubectl get followed by the resource type you want to view. For example, kubectl get pods will list all pods in your current namespace. Similarly, kubectl get deployments shows your deployments, and kubectl get services displays your services. This simple pattern works consistently across all Kubernetes resource types. Pods are the smallest deployable units in Kubernetes, representing one or more containers running together. To list all pods in your current namespace, use kubectl get pods. For more detailed information, including the node where each pod is running and internal IP addresses, add the -o wide flag. This expanded view provides valuable insights when troubleshooting or monitoring pod placement across your cluster. Deployments manage the life cycle of your pods, ensuring that the desired number of replicas are always running. To view all deployments, use kubectl get deployments. You can also use the shorthand version kubectl get deploy. The output shows you the number of desired replicas, how many are currently available, and the age of each deployment, giving you a quick overview of your application's health. Services provide stable networking endpoints for your pods, enabling communication within and outside your cluster. To list all services, use kubectl get services. The shorthand version is kubectl get svc. The output displays each service's cluster IP address, exposed ports, and type, helping you understand how your applications are exposed and accessible. Kubectl get supports multiple output formats to suit different needs. The wide format using -o wide provides additional details in a table view. For structured data that can be processed by other tools, use -o YAML to get YAML formatted output, or -o JSON for JSON format. The custom columns option using -o custom columns allows you to define exactly which fields you want to display, giving you complete control over the output. Kubectl get offers powerful filtering and options to refine your queries. Use ---- all namespaces to view resources across all namespaces in your cluster. To target a specific namespace, use the -n flag followed by the namespace name, such as production. The ---- watch flag enables real-time monitoring, continuously updating the output as resources change. Finally, the -l flag lets you filter resources by labels, such as app equals nginx, allowing you to focus on specific application components.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.